In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Calendly Embed in Framer. If your Calendly Embed isn't displaying correctly inside Framer, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to look and what to adjust so the embed works the way you want. Start by opening Framer and going to your list of projects. Once you're there, click on the project where your Calendly Embed is located. This will open the site editor so you can make changes directly inside the page where the issue is happening. Next, locate and open your Calendly page. This is the page that contains the embedded scheduling section. Opening the correct page first is important because you want to make sure you're editing the actual embed element and not a different section of the site by mistake. Once you're on that page, click on the embed code element. Selecting the correct embed block will allow Framer to show its settings and editable options. After that, move over to the right sidebar where the Properties panel appears. This is where Framer gives you control over the selected element, and this is the area you'll use to make the fix. In the Properties panel, navigate to the Embed section. Here you'll see the options related to how the Calendly content has been inserted into the page. From there, click on URL if you want to edit the website link being used for the Calendly embed. This is useful if the wrong scheduling link was pasted in or if you need to update it to a different booking page. You can also click on HTML instead. This option is helpful if the embed was added using custom code and you need to review or adjust the HTML directly. Depending on how the Calendly widget was originally added, the issue may be in the URL field or in the HTML version of the embed. After making your edit, double-check that you changed the correct field so the Calendly embed displays properly in Framer.